If I had just 30 days to get my first clean muscle up, this is exactly how I train. But first, let's make something clear. A real muscle up isn't swinging like a monkey or the half chicken wing flop over the bar. A clean muscle up means pull, transition, press, all in one smooth, explosive motion. No kip, no struggle, just control. Most people fail not because they're weak, but because they don't understand how the move actually works. It's not just a pull-up plus dip. It's a pull-up, dip, and a perfectly timed hip and wrist transition in the middle. That's the hard part. That's where most people crash. Week 1, build the foundation. Day 1, you try it. You jump to the bar, pull as hard as you can. Nothing. You hang there confused, humbled. Good. Now you're ready to train properly. The goal of week 1 is simple. Get strong enough for the attempt. 10 clean pull-ups, strict, no swinging, 10 bar dips, 30s hollow body hold, hanging knee or leg raises. Because if your core is weak, you're not pulling, you're leaking power. Week 2, master the transition. Now we break the move into parts most people ignore. This week is all about learning the flip. Jumping muscle-ups, just to teach your body the path. Band-assisted muscle-ups, strict, no swing. Straight bar dips, chest touching the bar at the bottom. Bar lean-overs, chest over bar, wrists rolled forward, hold for 3 seconds. It feels awkward. Your wrists will hate you. Stay with it. Week 3, explosive strength. This is where most people plateau. You won't, because now the focus changes. We don't pull hard, we pull higher. Explosive chest to bar pull-ups, 5 by 5. Slow negatives from muscle-up position. Hollow to arch swings, controlled, to learn bar path and body tension. You're no longer just pulling your chin up, you're aiming your hips and stomach to the bar. Week 4, attempt and refine. Everything is connected now. The swing, the pull, the flip, the press. You chalk your hands, breath in, 1 controlled swing, explosive pull, chest to bar, roll the wrists, press. Maybe you get it, maybe you don't. But this time, it's not random effort, it's calculated movement. Even if you fail, you'll know exactly why. And that means the muscle up is no longer impossible, it's inevitable. The muscle up isn't about genetics, luck, or gym membership. It's about power, timing, and patience. Give it 30 days of real training, not guessing, not swinging, and you'll be closer than ever. So stop watching. Go train.